The book description for Project Hail Mary does the wrong thing the right way. Hi storytellers, welcome to Sell Your Story. My name is Jason. I write magnetic book descriptions that attract readers to your self-published fiction. Sell Your Story is where you learn marketing copywriting tips that improve your book description so you sell more books. In this video, I'm breaking down a book description for Project Hail Mary, a science fiction adventure book by Andy Weir. I'm looking for good marketing copywriting that does three important things: grabs attention and never lets go, stirs emotions and curiosity, makes the right shopper want to buy the book today. Does this description do those things? Does it sell the story? And what do I mean by doing the wrong thing the right way? Let's find out. The first thing we want to do is take a look at the layout. Kind of long, but not bad. There's lots of white space breaking it up, which is good. It looks inviting. All right, I'm going to go ahead and read it, but I'm going to skip the praise and prestige to focus on the part you control about your book descriptions, which is the story summary and the selling section at the bottom. Ryland Grace is the sole survivor on a desperate last chance mission, and if he fails, humanity and the earth itself will perish. Except that right now, he doesn't know that. He can't even remember his own name, let alone the nature of his assignment or how to complete it. All he knows is that he's been asleep for a very, very long time, and he's just been awakened to find himself millions of miles from home, with nothing but two corpses for company. His crewmates dead, his memories fuzzily returning. Ryland realizes that an impossible task now confronts him. Hurtling through space on his tiny ship, it's up to him to puzzle out an impossible scientific mystery and conquer an extinction-level threat to our species. And with the clock ticking down and the nearest human being light years away, he's got to do it all alone. Or does he? An irresistible interstellar adventure as only Andy Weir could deliver. Project Hail Mary is a tale of discovery, speculation, and survival to rival The Martian, while taking us to places it never dreamed of going. Let's get started with the breakdown, starting from the top. The opening of this book description has 3 paragraphs of praise and prestige, which is great, and when you have it, throw it in there. But let's focus on the part that you control, the writing of your story summary and your sales section at the bottom. This first paragraph has so much punch and serves so many functions. Gives the main character's name, it definitely grabs attention, it sets the tone and the stakes and the urgency in one sentence that isn't overly long. I love this hook. Now, let's move down to the story summary section in the middle. Here's the thing about this story summary. It is an exposition-heavy approach, which I usually advise against. But this one grabs attention and stokes fear and has excitement and makes you want to read the book to find out how the hero survives and saves the world. The second paragraph introduces a plot complication. He can't remember how to do his job, and that increases the emotional response. The third paragraph has dead bodies. Corpses for company. I love the alliteration. This escalates the intensity and the curiosity. Why are they dead? What happened? The fourth paragraph gives us the setting. On a tiny ship somewhere, this guy is all alone, and it has an exclamation point on the stakes. We're talking about an extinction level threat. Although we don't know what the extinction level threat is exactly in this book description, to know that that is what is on the line is what is most important, because we're not going to try to tell the entire story, we're going to try to sell the story. Paragraph 5 has a ticking clock for urgency. Very good. Paragraph 6, so small, so simple, a lingering question. Creates more curiosity. Or does he? You have to read the book to find out. This story summary is exciting and scary, and calls out to the ideal shopper, the reader of science fiction and adventure. Calls out to my mother-in-law is who it calls out to. It's amazing how well it does the wrong thing the right way. That probably sounds weird. Let me tell you what I mean. Have you ever seen a book description that's a boring, exposition-filled, plotting info dumper? Too many book descriptions focus on telling you the story rather than selling the story by grabbing attention, stirring emotions, and building curiosity. This exposition-heavy approach fails so often that it's just the wrong way to do it. Take the book description from Andy Weir's 2017 novel, Artemis. It's so crazy long and filled with main character development and story details that it says the main character's name 6 times. That's a sign your book description is too long and handles your story's details badly. But Project Hail Mary's book description tells the story and sells the story perfectly. Now, let's move down to the bottom of the description. This is good hype here. Promises an exciting experience, has the plot elements, irresistible interstellar adventure, discovery, speculation, and survival to rival the Martian. Here's where it goes wrong. There's no call to action. Even read it today would be good. When you say read it today, it makes more people read it today. Always put a call to action at the bottom of your book description. All right, here we are, answering the big question, does this book description sell the story? The answer is yes. That's the video. Thank you so much for watching. Comment below, let me know if this video helped you write your descriptions a little bit better. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future videos that help you sell your story. If you want my hands-on help selling your story, then use my website link in this video's description. Thanks again for watching. See you next time.